I'm Jess Volker and I have the best job in agriculture. You cannot get a better job than being an agronomist. To get to be in my position, I had to study applied science at uni. There's heaps of different roles you can fill with that type of degree.
What I find most enjoyable about it is it's no 2 days are the same. You need to get out of your mind that it's not just picking and packing, that there's lots of other things that support our industry. The seasons around Australia are quite different, so you know, as a younger person you can also have the opportunity to travel with your role.
My job is very diverse because I don't just work on one farm. You can work at the reseller stage, you can go into research, you can use drone technology in agriculture.
Then you've also got, your supervisory roles where, you might be looking after a crew down the paddock. I guess if you think about, your work day, and depending on what you're doing at the farm, mostly you're finished by 4 or 5 o'clock in the afternoon. It does offer a good lifestyle choice.
You get to walk around, look at these beautiful crops.
Ultimately, it gives you a lot of freedom to go and do other things. Your skills become interchangeable between different crops. Produce is grown all around Australia at different times of the year, so I think it gives you those other flexible opportunities too, particularly as a young person.
The thing that I love the most about this job is that I'm helping the grower get the very best crop out to our Australian consumers.